zipper, I've just pulled down the parts at the temples here where the lace joins onto the ear tabs, just to kind of hide that area. But yes, you can tie her up. She's so beautiful, so gorgeous, so versatile. It's so exciting. Hey guys, it's Michelle. I'm here to show you another new wig from the Jon Renau Fall 2021 collection. This one is called Willow and I've got the shade 32F. First of all, let's just talk cap. We have the full lace front. We have the single welded mono top, allowing you to part in any direction. Lace front lets you pull it off the face. We have the fully hand-tied cap, which is super comfortable, very, very natural appearance. Now we have the 360-degree stretch section from Jon Renau, which allows that to conform so nicely to your head. We have an extended nape here with Velcro adjusters. This is an average size of cap. I have a petite size of head, so despite it looking big, I am going to just tighten that up. We have your ear tabs here, which are your kind of felt velvet covered ear tabs with metal stays inside. So let me pop this wee baby on because oh my goodness, she looks gorgeous. Okay guys, so this gorgeous wee bad boy I've got on is Willow from Jon Renau. She is an average size of cap. As we've seen, she is fully hand tied. She is gorgeous and brand new for the fall 2021 collection. Now this shade is 32F, and one thing I do want to point out about this is Jon Renau have started on their wigs, I've noticed on many of the shades, they have started to incorporate this gorgeous lighter lace front. Now as you can see, it is just one of the shades that's in the wig already. Look at that lace front hairline. Ignore my tattoo if you see it. But I just think that lighter lace front just makes it so natural and allows for some off the face styling. If you want to do so, then it just looks even more natural. It is absolutely stunning. Now Willow is this very kind of undone appearance, I would say. It's very much natural, like super duper loose waves. It is not an actual beachy wave, it has just got a slight kink to her. Sorry, I'm using my wide tooth comb here just to go through her. It's one of these kind of really romantic type of waves I would describe her as. She is so beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Standard synthetic fibre, and this is her. Let's talk a bit about the lengths. So the very front length here, the kind of very front bang fringy front area, we have 13 inches of length here. Now at the sides we have 15 inches here at the sides, 12.5 inches from the crown, and at the nape area we've got 8.75, so 8 3/4 inches from your nape. Sorry, I just like to seem to touch the parts as I'm talking. This comes in many colours, so don't worry if you're not a kind of redhead. This is such a gorgeous, beautiful shade. For me personally, I just adore her. I just love her so much. But this is Willow. It was really to show you the style from Jon Renau. It is a hand-tied cap, which is really, really beautiful, and I love the fact there's a hand-tied cap. I love the new Jon Renau Fall 2021 styles. They're all quite different, and they are all quite different from anything else in the market at the moment, which is something that I really like. They are very different from the other Jon Renau styles, which again is something I like. I like the fact that there's something new, kind of on trend, and something for everybody and for all ages. In my opinion, I don't think it matters what age you are. I think if you want to have long hair and you're 15 or you're 95, you wear what's comfortable to you. In a box it is a wig, but on your head it's your hair. So you wear what you want, the colour you want, the style you want. It is the lovely thing about wigs, is you do have that kind of freedom and ability to choose what you want to wear and how you want to look, which is magical. Anyway guys, this is Willow. She is beautiful. I am sitting down because that's a long story, but anyway, yeah, this is Willow from Jon Renau 2021 fall collection. She's gorgeous, she's beautiful, she's really exciting. I love her new launch, and yeah, that's all for me for now. Mwah. Bye!